I'm checking on my chickens right now. So here's one, baby. It's so cute. We let it out in the chicken coop. See? So it's been up here like all day. It's really cute. They're fuzzy. And we also have 2 others hatching right now. Well, not hatching, like there's 2 others in the eggs and we're incubating them. It's so exciting. And then there's the goaties. Well, there's Cooper. There's the goats. Really shy. We had to do this so the baby couldn't get out.
And me. And I take a video.
Yep, Claire's taking a video.
Of the chickens.
Okay.
And there's Cookie.
There's a baby. Oh, the baby got down. As you can tell, we have a big feeder. That water over there, that's what chickens do not drink out of. And then those 2 waters. And then that feed. And then there's the ducks. Feed and water. So yeah. Really busy all the time. There's a hen. She's really sweet. Not really all the time. There's Affleck and Dawn and Cooper. Now I gotta check for eggs over here because Cooper is going crazy. Hey, look at him. See? Yeah. Whoa, nothing right there. Okay. Now I need to check for silky eggs. That's the worst part because they're just everywhere. I don't know where they are, so I have to look underneath the trucks, underneath like everything. So yeah. Let's look for this.
Help me.
No, Bubba, no. There's that. I don't see anything. Oh, there's a silky egg. Oh yeah, I put it up there and I forgot about it. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's nothing else. Like, see? So yeah. Hey, you chasing a fly? I don't think you can get a fly. There's flies out here, and they chase them. They think they're smart and cool, but no. Oh my god. Look at him. They're sweet. I started putting the silky eggs and all the big hen eggs up here. They won't get them. Because I had them right here, but one of the hens got it. So, yeah. Bunny, you looking for a place to lay your egg? There she is. She's scared of us. Yeah. Ignore my brother. He's in his underwear. Look at her. She's being so sweet. Hi, man. Hi. So funny. Hi. There's the ball. Girly. Their heads are pooped up like that because it rained. So, oh my god. Here's the bones. Here's Oakley, Aubrey's goat, and here's my goat. Here I go, here Aubrey goat. And are really friendly. And here's Koopy.
So Guys, we did. What the chicken now?
So I let the chicken out this morning, and it was raining. Like as soon as I,
Yeah.
I don't know what I was gonna say.
it
Oh,
was raining. Let's see what's in there.
Koi.
Look. That one.
One last little tour, because I gotta put them up.
Just ate a bug.
Where'd you go? Playing hide and seek? Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? I see you.
I want
I had to put this right here because the baby likes to roost. And yeah, so that's why I put that there. And then I also put another thing here. Oh, I think I that. So, I have these weapons. Bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I love you guys really much. And I hope you guys have a great day. So bye.